Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at solving a system of equations using the addition method. So we're going to take the system of equations 2x equals 7y minus 17 and 5y is equal to 17 minus 3x. The first thing that we need to do when solving a system of equations by the addition method is get both sides of the equation in the form, or both equations rather, in the form ax plus by equals c. So I'll do that on the first equation. I need to subtract 7y from both sides, so I get 2x minus 7y is equal to negative 17. And then the second one, I can add 3x to both sides and get 3x plus 5y equals positive 17. And now, what I'm going to do is multiply both of these equations by something so that when I add the two equations together, adding the left side of each equation together and adding the right side of each equation together, I can get rid of one of the variables. So it works out here, if I multiply the first equation by negative 3 and the second equation by 2, that's going to make the equations negative 6x plus 21y is equal to 51. And then positive 6x plus 10y is equal to 34. Adding these equations together, 6x and minus 6x go away like I want. And I get 31y is equal to 85. I can divide both sides by 31. And I get y equals 85 over 31. So I have a couple of different approaches that I can take to finding the second variable. One of them, I can do exactly what I did in the first part, or in the last video with the substitution method. Take this 85 over 31, plug it into one of the equations, and then solve it for x. Now, a lot of times that is what we'll do, but since I'm having to deal with a fraction here, I'd rather not do that. Instead, I'm going to go right back to our system of equations. 2x minus 7y equals negative 17, and 3x plus 5y equals 17. And now, I'm going to multiply these equations by something different so I can get rid of the y's. So if I multiply the first equation by 5, and the second equation by 7, let me come down where I actually have space to work. That's going to give me 10x minus 35y is equal to negative 85. And then 21x plus 35y is equal to 119. I can add these equations together. And of course, plus 35y minus 35y cancels out, so I'm left with 31x is equal to 34. Divide both sides by 31, and I get x equals 34 over 31. So my solution set here is the ordered pair 34 over 31, 85 over 31. So that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about a couple of special cases that you can get either using the substitution or elimination method.